Hello, and welcome to Moovee's tutorial video. First of all, let's get you subscribed. It is very easy. Just go on our website, moovee.lu, and click on the subscription link in the menu. You just need to enter your personal business email for us to link you to your company. You should then receive an email from noreply@moovee.lu. Click on the validation link. You will be redirected to our subscription page. Just fill in all the information that apply to you and click on Save. You will also have to fill up the information of your driving license. But don't worry, if you don't have them at the time of the subscription, you can always fill them up in the future through your account. The last step for you is to read the usage policy. Please take a few minutes to go through it, as it sets the correct behavior to adopt when it comes to sharing. Finally, check the box to accept the general terms and conditions and press the Save button. Your registration is now complete and you will receive another email to confirm it. Enjoy using Moovee and have a good ride.